Good morning, everybody. Good morning. 15 students. Okay. Everybody, please, good morning. And every day I am telling that mute your microphone and also stop your front camera. Okay. So after that, we will take your attendance. And please, students, I am just requesting you, don't send any emoji. Okay. This is a class beta, and everybody, you should open your English textbook. Purban, Poptali, Shrestha, Kaushik, okay, I'll see after that, I'll tell, but one thing you know that your assessment 1 already routine has been given to our website, okay. I think you have seen your assessment routine. So, syllabus, PT1 syllabus, you have already got in our assessment our website, okay. Website you have got the syllabus here, 4 chapters from the Marigold and 4 chapters from that grammar. But besides that, you will see our website and you have got the routine, and again I am telling that 20 questions you will get, 20 marks, 20 minutes you will get, and everybody should give by yourself, give exam, because now you are handling the computer or mobile, and your link will be coming today through the Skype or our school's website, okay. Skype and school's website. Your e-portal, you are, whenever you are just logging, that students logging, the total homework, submitted homework, there you will get your link, that you will get link through our Skype and also through our model school website. Term 1 syllabus, no. PT1 syllabus, not term 1 syllabus. Term 1 syllabus you will get after the exam, you will get the term 1 syllabus. But PT1 syllabus, that exam will be, exam or assessment you will give, okay. And also, no need to worry about that. This will be very easy, 20 questions, 20 marks you will get, and 20 minutes also. First 4 chapters are in this assessment. Please, Shudesna, just I have told, check your syllabus of PT1, okay. PT1 syllabus, the assessment will be held. PT1 syllabus, not term 1, PT1 syllabus, that PT1 syllabus, that assessment will be held. And one thing, everybody, please listen, you will get your link throughout our Skype and also our model school website, okay. And no need to worry, there will be very easy questions and answer also, just you will click and do this, okay. All this instruction, and if you want to go back, but don't do refresh option you don't go, back options are there, but don't, refresh option you don't go, back and refresh option you don't go, only you will click your question, 20 questions you will get all this at a time, all this 20 question, no need to go option next, all the question you will get at a time, and you will get 20 minutes, and Skype and our model school website you will get all these questions, okay. Model schools website and our Skype, you will get all these options. Okay? Please follow our model school and Skype and do it will be very easy. Just click your option and it will be auto submit. You can also submit but auto submit. Okay? Just after 20 minutes it will be auto submitted. So now I will just do your attendance. Ahanab Amin, Oshmit Mondal, Ayush Pal, Debopriya Mukherjee. Debopriya Mukherjee was last day was not there. Debopriya Mukherjee, Deboshmita Majhi, Kaushik Ghosh. Kaushik Ghosh was there. Kritika Pal. Debopriya, mute your microphone. Next please. Liza Khatun, Kritika Pal, Liza Khatun, Potrali Roy, Purbayon Mondal, Shivam Roy, Shrestha Ghosh, Shomagni De, Shomagni was there last day, Sudeshna Pal, Suzan Parvin was there. Samridha Mondal today is not, sometime after some time, Ishita Roy also not here. So, okay. Last day they have just okay, now you know that and everybody you know, please I just told assessment, no need to worry, do yourself honestly. For the computer, mobile, take help from your parents, but all the answer, I know that you are very good children, you can do all these things very honestly, okay. Whatever, that is also new experience for you. And whenever you will be grown up, just that time our like this MCQ you will get for all the competitive exam. So this time you will be the advanced given this exam and you will be habituated for giving this MCQ exam like this competitive test. It's very easy and also very interesting. You will get very easy questions. Okay, only 4 chapters for the English. Like this I told, I have discussed also. What is the name of the giraffe? That whole is, that you know that name of the giraffe is Miley. So like this type of question you will get. And you will just click whatever the right option is there, their answer will be there and after 20 minutes it will be auto submitted. Okay. And after that if any other questions is there today, my e-portal chat option you will ask. I will after coming from the school, just I will give all the answer. Okay, thank you beta. Now open your English copy. Today I'll write that question answer of zoo manners. What do you see at the zoo? What does the camel have on its back? So number date 28/8/20 zoo manners. First question, please open the page number 74. Question number 1. What do you see she? 3 people. Yes, smiley spelling, Shrestha, you have written the wrong answer. Smiley, I think. Please look at the spelling, okay? Okay, that time you need not to write, only you have to just tick the option, okay? Here, yes. So, okay, no need to type, please write. Please write the question answer. We see many animals. Zoo, what do you see at the zoo? We see many animals or various types of animals we can write that. Various types of animals at the zoo. Animals means also including, you cannot see the full board. Okay, let me see. Board, some problem is there? KP, who is this for that? So I think now you can see that. What do you see at the zoo? You see various types of animals at the zoo. Question number 2. What does the camel have on its back? What does now I think you can see. What does the camel have on its back? What does the camel have on its back? The camel has hump on its back. These two questions I have written, and you know that what did you see at the zoo? You have, okay, that is enough. We see various types of animals at the zoo. And what does the camel have on its back? The camel has hump on its back. And for that exam, you need no need to worry about the exam. Everybody you can do that, because you are also doing very good class every day, online live classes you are joining, so no problem for that. Okay, Ahana, you will also do 20 questions. It will be very easy. For 20 minutes you are not you need not to take, means for the class work, when you will give the question, that 80 marks question, I think you will have completed for the 1 hour. So for this 20 marks only tick mark question you will easily give. Within 10 minutes you will be finished, you will be finishing your question answer. So no need to worry about all these things. Link you will get through our Skype. Today also I think you will get through our Skype and BMS Model School, and all the instruction also you will get. But one thing please, I am just telling, don't, again I am telling, you will tell your parents, please don't go this refresh or back option, okay. These things I am just telling, but no need to worry, you will get today onwards, just you will get today through our Skype, and when the time, this time I cannot tell, but today you will get all this link, okay. Within today you will get, not tomorrow, within today through our Skype and our Burdwan Model School, that website you will get, and all the instruction also. Sudeshna, you cannot see, but I think now the board has no problem. You are having some network problem, okay. Why Samriddha today did not join? Some problem Samriddha is having. Samriddha is every day he is joining. Next question, they have told that have you been a zoo? I think everybody you have been to a zoo. You had gone last time also from our school, and also sometime you are going your Christmas vacation, that Alipur Zoo in Calcutta. Sometime you had gone another zoo in our India also. There are so many zoos in our India, but in South India like Tribandam, Mysore, they are having natural zoo, and in Mysore zoo also sometime you can get that some type of another man, that is our prehistoric, and also gorilla you can get in Mysore zoo. So when you will be grown up, you will go with your parents, not this year, next year or after that year, sometime you can go and see that type of zoo, and that is very big. But after this year I am not telling to go anywhere. Next year also, those who did not go to Kolkata Zoo, they can go next year to see the Alipur Zoo, okay. Kolkata, Alipur Zoo in Kolkata, that is also very nice. There are also so many animals you can see. Various means many types of, okay, not only one, like this lion, tiger, peacock, turtle, and many types of that pelican, birds, so many types. So that is why I am writing the various types of animals, okay. There's many types, and not only one types, many, that is different types I can tell also. So today you will read these things, and also you can, once you will revise your PT1 exam, okay, according to your routine, but it will be very easy for you, no need to worry. And all these 16 and 17 students, sometimes 20 students also, you are doing the class every day, and those who could not do the live classes also, they are also doing that, they are also doing very all this offline, means offline video means that online YouTube classes, that also I will give the direction. And if you want, those who are doing the online YouTube class, you can ask me in my chat option, okay. Please do the chat manager, and I am just telling, in your e-portal, students e-portal, you are having all this link number, and you will go to your total homework or submitted homework. There only you will get your link, exam link. Total homework, when you are giving the submitted homework, there you will get your exam link. Please listen to me very carefully. You will get your link within today, and for your exam, no need to worry. I am just telling, do your exam, give your exam very nicely, and thank you. Have a nice day. All the best for your exam. Okay.